Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your ZTE Blade V70 Vita isn't detecting your SIM card correctly. First of all, lock your device's screen and reinsert the SIM card into your smartphone. To do that, you're gonna need to use a pin-like tool like this one. Locate your SIM card tray and insert the tool carefully into the pinhole next to the tray. Push it inside to make the tray jump out, and then carefully eject it from your smartphone, just like this. After you remove the SIM card, use your t-shirt, if it's cotton, or a microfiber cloth if you have one around, to carefully wipe the contacts of your SIM card and then reinsert it. You can as well do reinsert your SIM card into a different slot. So I used to have it in the second slot, so I'm gonna instead place it here in the second one, just like this, and then reinsert the tray into your device. Go to your device's settings, then go to mobile network, check SIM cards and see if your phone can see your SIM card in here. If it still cannot, let's restart the phone to make sure that the changes apply, and wait until your phone is restarted. Okay, and right now, if your phone still isn't detecting your SIM card in the mobile network settings, try updating your software by going to System Update. Make sure that you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Let your smartphone check for available updates, and if you do have an update, then take your time to download and install it. And if you don't, then go to Reset Options and select Reset Network Settings. This will only affect your mobile data. Reset Settings, confirm, and then then see if your smartphone detects your SIM card now. And if it doesn't, then try inserting your SIM card into another device, into another smartphone, and check if another device can see your SIM card. If it doesn't, then it most probably means that your SIM card is inactive, and you just have to get yourself another one or to reactivate your current SIM card if you can. Anyway, you just have to contact your carrier and notify them about this issue. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.